Well, Llandudno Museum, we've been here in a position in the centre of the town since 1985. It goes back earlier than that, of course, with Chardon, our quite famous starter of the museum. But since 1985, we've been here in the centre of Llandudno. And of course, we're now looking to refurbish the museum. The grant from Hanfod Cymru will be part of the redevelopment scheme, and particularly about the education element and learning element, which we haven't had before in the museum. So it's a great step forward. Initially, the money will help us refurbish and equip a museum, a learning space for youngsters and for adults alike. So very useful indeed. It'll make a difference certainly to the way in which the museum is used, because at the moment, if we have school groups in, they're in the museum, and we haven't got a separate workspace for them, so there's no preliminary space available or for them to consider things afterwards. So this will be a great step forward.